everybody, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Sharon Nazarine. Today I'm presenting a character. The character name is Local Tribe. I'm a tribe. My tribe name is Chakma. I live in Chittagong hill tracts in Bangladesh. We are mostly farmer and do zoom cultivation. We have our own lifestyles, but we are very few in number, and we are with pride to our full rights. That's why we are also human beings. We want to be vocative in our full rights. We have our culture, our tradition, and folk literature. And we weave our clothes to avoid shawls or tamis and ingis. I want to show our dance. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye for now.